Hello guys, welcome back to the education series of Dimagi investors. I hope after this video you will subscribe my channel. So today I'm going to share one of my thought. So if you ask any of the major investor, the most money they made in last 5 years was post 2020 crash where market was crashed around 50%. Now the interesting point is that most of this money was not actually made buying the crash but was made if the investor stayed invested to see gain by 2021. So if anybody stayed invested for minimum 1 year, he was the one who actually gain most. While people focus too much on buying the dip, we often miss a very important aspect about investing, which is that in order to make money in the market, you need to stay invested for a major part of the bull run. So remember guys, to make a good money, you have to stay invested for a major part of the bull run. Now, the bull run can last up for a year or it could be go for 4 years, 5 years, who knows, right? But the point is that if you sell too early, you will have a very hard time re-entering the market. The only trick to double your portfolio is buy in bulk before the bull run starts and stay invested. If you can do this, you will make a good money. Now let me share you one example. In when ITC was hailing around 190, I bought a ITC share of 1 lakh. Okay, and now here I'm gonna show you two things. One is greediness, another is making the profit. So when ITC touched 250 and it was just having around 250 for 6 months, I decided to sold my 50% of portfolio on ITC. I sold at 250. Then when ITC reached around 2, I think it was around 310 if I'm not wrong, I another sold my 50% portfolio, and when it reached to 350, I sold the 100% portfolio. Now guys, ITC is now running around 400. So you can see, if I could have sold my entire stack at 250, because since 6 months it was not giving any extra return to me, I could have lost minimum 50% of my gain, right? And if I can stay on for at least 1.5 year, I could double my money. So are you getting my point? What I mean by making this point, that you have to stay invested. Now this sounds super easy, but it is not. Reason, most people don't have the conviction to hold things when they are falling, as I did, and they can't control the greediness when things are rising. I also explained you the same, right? Understanding the fundamental of the economy and relating it to the stock market is a great starting point to build our investment strategy. What does it mean? It means if government is applying a good policies which is gonna support the businesses or the big business houses, definitely you are going to achieve a big bull run. If government policies are not supporting, you are going to get into a bear run. So you have to closely following what are the economy, in which direction the economy is going. Now you understood, right? So I hope you like this video. If you like this, keep liking, keep share, for the help of others, and please do subscribe if you have not done yet. I will try my level best to share you some thoughts which is gonna help you in this stock market journey. And this Dimagi investor guys is not only for stock market. I'm gonna share you every aspect of life, right? It could be anything which would help you to build your great journey throughout the life. So thanks guys.